If someone asks us about the 7 wonders of the world, many would name few of them and few would name all of them. If you ask an archaeologist or a historian, they would rattle off all about Great Wall of China, Petra, Christ the Redeemer, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza, Colosseum, Taj Mahal. But these are man-made architectures. If you were to ask a roomful of astronomers to name the 7 wonders of solar system, you may get lots of different answers and may even end up instigating arguments. That's mostly because there is no universally accepted list of wonders of the solar system. Maybe one day we can expect such a list when probes and astronauts have traveled and explored every planet and moon, every asteroid and icy debris around the sun. But that day is way too far in future. For now, we can have our list of 7 wonders of the solar system, which are mind-boggling natural architectures on different planets, dwarf planets, and their moons. Number 1. This mammoth architecture is located on the nearest celestial body, our moon. Mare Oriental is 900 kilometers wide impact basin on the moon consisting 2 rings of mountains surrounding a dark ballistic plane which makes it look like gigantic cosmic bullseye. Mare Oriental lies on the eastern side of the moon which makes it obliquely visible to us. However, this beautiful feature of the moon is still visible as thin scrap of gray near the edge of the moon. But if it were located in a way that it faced Earth, it would look like a huge eye staring down at us. However, this beautiful feature of the moon is still visible as thin scrap of gray, close to the edge of the moon. Number 2. Valles Marineris. It is an epic Martian rift valley stretching about 4,000 kilometers long and reaching depth of about 7 kilometers. It was first discovered by Mariner 9 in 1971. Although its size makes Grand Canyon look like Dwarf Canyon, many astronomers consider Valles Marineris to be Grand Canyon of entire solar system. It stretches about quarter of circumference of Mars along the equator, like an ancient wound of axe into the crust of Mars. Number 3. Jupiter's Great Red Spot. It is a massive whirlwind of gas and color on Jupiter's surface. It was first observed by Cassini in 1665, which is large enough to fit 3 Earths within the boundary of this storm. This crimson-hued storm, contrasting starkly against the band of Jupiter, speeds up to 650 kilometers per hour. The color of the storm is the most striking feature, which is made of hydrogen and helium that gives it characteristic as red hue. One of the theories suggests the specific color of Great Red Spot is due to ultraviolet radiations from sun on the storm, which catalyzes a reaction producing an unknown chemical that gives such a color. Another puzzling fact about this storm is that it has persisted for over hundreds of years, whereas similar phenomena on other planets has vanished in fraction of time. Number 4. Io is the most colorful and dramatic out of all the moons of Jupiter. The first images of Io sent by Voyager looked like astonishing shades of yellow, orange, and red, like a masterpiece of Picasso or Matisse. Io may look all captivating and colorful from space, but it has one of the harshest surface conditions, comprising gushes, spurts, and sloshes from hundreds of volcanoes which are scattered across its surface. The largest volcano, rightly called Loki, has a depression over 200 kilometers wide which contains liquid sulfur within it. Other volcanoes spurts fan-shaped plumes of material shooting hundreds of miles out into the space. Number 5. Kraken Mare. Saturn's moon Titan has a vast sea named Kraken Mare on its north pole, covering 400,000 square kilometers. It was first discovered by space probe Cassini in 2006. The Kraken Mare was named after legendary sea monster called Kraken. It is one of the most mysterious sea in the solar system, made of liquid methane with tides rising up to 5 meters high across the sea. Kraken Mare also has bright and short-lived feature called magic islands that are huge bubbles of nitrogen rising from the depth of the sea and bursting at the surface. Number 6. Tiger Stripes. The images of South Pole of Saturn's moon Enceladus taken by the Cassini probe in 2005 revealed long and dark lines across the crust of Enceladus which look like ancient wound across the face of this moon by the claws of a tiger. These features were later observed to be fractures in the crust of Enceladus located on the high ridges. Another flyby across Enceladus revealed huge plumes of water vapors gushing out of these fractures, made the view of tiger stripes even more fascinating. These fractures releases continuous mist of ice crystal toward the sky that would sprinkle and sparkle in the sunlight. Number 7. The New Horizons probe was the first spacecraft to visit this dwarf planet lurking in Kuiper Belt in 2015. Pluto, a ring of icy bodies in trans-Neptunian region, has many captivating features. The first image sent by the New Horizons showed the breathtaking images of heart-shaped icy plain of Pluto, which looks like color of vanilla ice cream. These are group of glaciers flowing through high mountains and even ice volcanoes. Additionally, the largest moon of Pluto called Charon has the North Pole colored almost red blood, which make these features irresistible to be included as one of the wonders of solar system. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.